Okay, so before I continue my journey and everything, this is about 30 minutes away from Rio Negro, Guarne, and about the same thing from Medellin, depending on where you're going and all of that, or a little further. So yeah, Guarne is nice, and I'm using the mobile phone camera, so not the best quality image, but here we are on the motorbike. Time to go. So what's up, guys? How are you doing? I'm going to show you what small town life is like here in Colombia, in the Andes Mountains in the state of Antioquia, near Medellin, about 40 minutes away, 30, depending on where you're going, how fast. So I'm going to show you what it's all about. And if you ever want to live here, I mean, right now the temperature is about 75, 74 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, it doesn't snow here. And we're high in the mountains. This is about 2,200 square meters, not square meters, 2,200 meters above sea level. Okay, I'm getting my tongue twisted. Here we go. Let's show you Friday afternoon what life is like here in Antioquia, in this small town called Guarne. People are just chilling. It's 5 p.m. It's about 5:02 p.m. here in 2021. And if you ever want to live in a place like this, and this town is upbeat. I mean, it's small. You can forget about whatever. So look, people are just chilling. People are having their coffee, their beer, their tea, and they're talking, they're gossiping, talking about who said, what said, he said, she said, crowd. They're just chilling, relaxing on a Friday afternoon, kicking off the weekend. And then there's an artist back there singing one of the famous songs that somebody made or put out on the radio some years ago, trying to make some money. So look, everybody's just hanging out, having their cafecito, or tinto. Tinto is just coffee, black coffee. Or café con leche is coffee with milk at these different places. And you got these bars, restaurant bar things, and these other things at the top, and other coffee shops. You got this kiosk here. People want to reload some money on their phone. They reload. They come to this kiosk right here and they do it. And then people want to buy some other little kind of tidbits here and whatever. You got the masks they sell here, all kind of designs and everything. And then you got the popcorn. I don't know how long it's been there for, but it's good. People are just hanging out here in the park. I mean, what's up with that? People are just chilling now and listening to some salsa, eating buñuelitos there at these little places there, some buñuelos or some other kind of baked goods, drinking a nice cold beer. I don't drink beer, but I'm just saying, nice cold beer. And then here there was a service, a mass. It just ended about 2 or 5 minutes ago because it was the 4 to 5 p.m. mass, the service here. And right now this is 2021 in terms of the Año Jubilar en honor a San Jose, the jubilar year in honor of Saint John or whatever, I don't know, for those Catholics of you. And these are the parties, the religious parties here. Fiestas patronales from the 24th of January until February 2nd, until Tuesday next week. So I'll probably upload this video on Monday or Tuesday next week, February, so you can see it. But right now it's January 29th, Friday. And this is town life, small town life. And the temperature here, the temperature here is about 77 degrees on average. That's the average temperature here. It doesn't snow down here in the town. If you live higher in the mountain, like up there, or where I live, which is higher up here in the same town, right now, I mean, I'm showing you this. I've shown you Guarne before, so I'm showing it to you again, but now just showing you what it is like on a Friday afternoon here in Guarne, Antioquia. Antioqueños, this is the Antioqueño lifestyle. Paisas are from Medellin. They live in the city. They're called Paisas. But the people that live outside of Medellin or outside the valley, in terms of if you're in Bello, Medellin, or Envigado, or Itagüí, or Sabaneta, or Copacabana, they call you Paisas or La Estrella. But if you're outside that zone, then you are considered an Antioqueño if you were born and raised in Antioquia, in one of these small towns. So, people are just chilling. I mean, I'm chilling. I'm relaxing here. Some people are looking at me all strange, like, what kind of language is that guy talking? What is he saying? Is he speaking Japanese, Chinese, or Hindi, or Tamil, or French, or whatever? No, I'm just speaking plain old English. And I haven't been able to travel anywhere else because I'm alone, home alone, like Macaulay Culkin, whatever his last name was, or whatever. Remember Home Alone? Ah! And, because I'm taking care of the doggies. I can't travel anywhere right now, so I'm just showing you what I can do nearby on the motorbike here in Antioquia until 6 months from now or 7, when then I can take off and go where I need to be going. So yeah, people are just chilling, standing in line to get some money out of the bank, out of the ATM machine. They're chilling over there. Like I said, they're talking about him or her, gossiping, doing the gossip. I mean, you do the gossip. You talk about this person or that person. I don't like gossiping, but I'm telling you, that's what some people do. Look, here's a town map, a touristic map of Guarne, Check it out. And it tells you where you can go and everything. It's not like it's big on a tourist map, but they're preparing for foreigners to come down the line and do it. So people are chilling here at the Antiquario or at another coffee shop over there, or that Cafe Armenia. People hang out at Cafe Armenia right there, and they're playing cards, they're playing pool, doing billiards. I mean, people are just talking whatever they want to talk there. This and that and whoever and whatever. I mean, just observe. Old ladies over there, 4 old ladies, about 300 years total between all 4 of them. They're just chilling, having fun. And people are playing cards, playing pool and everything, having fun. It's like playing dominoes. So this is small town life. People are just shooting the breeze. And this is Antioquia. This is Guarne. And I hope you like it. Remember to give the video a like if you like it. Hey, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. That's what we live off, the YouTubers, that you subscribe. Some people say you shouldn't be saying, hey, subscribe and give it a like. Whatever, everybody has a different personality. What if everybody said nothing? I mean, some people wouldn't even know. It took me 8 years after I started on YouTube, watching YouTube videos, to find out that you could actually give a video a like. I didn't know that. It took me 8 years to find that out, because one guy in one YouTube video that I saw, he said, give the video a like and subscribe. I'm like, what is that? And I had been watching for 8 years. Come on. So I'm taking my chances and saying that if you don't like it, hey, that's you. Some of you do like it, some of you don't like it. What can I tell you? I just love doing this stuff, and I'm asking you to help the channel grow by subscribing, by giving the videos likes, and by leaving comments and saying what you think, good, bad, or ugly. But keep your language simple. Just don't be using cuss words and all that nasty stuff. So here we go. Later, guys. Catch you on the rebound.